Lady, look at yourself. How far have you drifted from Allah? How many of you spend January scrolling endlessly, putting everyone else above your own soul, forgetting yourself, forgetting your deen and Allah? How long will you do this? How long will you let your growth and connection with Allah wait? Society and social media have pushed us away from Him, making us feel trapped. It says do everything online, follow every trend, and they normalize shamelessness, excessive feminism, and forgetfulness of real Islamic women's rights. When you do exactly what they say, they give you a certificate to hell. When you stand publicly for your values, they call you extra, too much. How long will you listen to them? How long? How long will you depend on others? How long will you procrastinate your dreams? Is this the life you want? If yes, then skip this video. But if not, come on lady, show them how capable you are. Show them that you can manage deen and dunya together. Show them you are not an ordinary woman. Your role models are Hazrat Ayesha, a scholar, a teacher, and one of the greatest narrators of knowledge in Islamic history. Your role model is Hazrat Khadija, a successful businesswoman, a woman of strength, dignity, and unwavering faith. Don't you see how social media, society, and even the people around you have successfully wasted your months by distracting you? Don't you notice the pattern? If you don't set boundaries today, if you don't break this loop today, you will end up doing nothing the entire year. So come on, stand up, educate yourself, reconnect with Allah. He is At-Tawwab. He is waiting for you to return, my dear. What is stopping you? Don't paint your life with the colors of distractions, colors that only pull you backwards. Choose the colors of purpose, discipline, and faith. Wake up, Muslim woman, because no one is coming to save you. No perfect time is coming. No magical motivation will suddenly appear. If you don't rise for yourself, if you don't take responsibility today, you will keep waiting while life keeps moving. Islam never taught a woman to be lazy, careless, or dependent. It taught her to be aware, intentional, and strong in character. You were created to worship Allah, yes, but also to think, to learn, to build, and to contribute. Your ibadah is not only on the prayer mat. It is in how you use your time, how you guard your eyes, how you discipline your heart, how you choose growth over comfort. Stop saying I am tired. Stop saying I will start after Ramadan. Stop saying I am not ready yet. Every day you delay, Shaitan wins a little more space in your routine. So choose differently. Pick one skill, one book, one goal. Cut off what drains you. I say cut off what drains you and follow what distracts you, what pulls you away from Allah. We have been tricked. And society? Don't get me started. It tells women be quiet, don't stand out, don't focus on yourself. And we listen and we obey. We have been put in a no-win loop. Stop right now. The month is gone, but your growth does not have an expiration date. Your connection with Allah is never too late. Your time, your energy, your soul, all yours to reclaim. Come on, lady, grab your journal or a phone, notebook, or open a comment section. This is the first step to breaking the loop, keeping you stuck. Society does not like independent women, and social media loves distractions. The world has conditioned us to forget our rights, Islamic rights, women's rights, your right to grow, your right to reflect, your right to be heard. We hide, we scroll, we stay small, while everything else is normalized. Stop prioritizing everyone over yourself. Remembering your Islamic rights. Reconnect with Allah step by step. Stop listening to society. Stop obeying social media. Stop hiding from your soul. Remember, January is gone, but your rise starts today. Subscribe if you want real growth, real talk, and real results.